Okay. Is it recording?
It is.
Okay, chapter 1. Big fight. Boom, bam, boom, 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 boom.
Hey! I don't think you're very nice, sir.
What?
I don't think you're very nice. You want to go? Put the nukes up.
Did you say put your boobs up?
No, I said put your dukes up.
Okay. Boing.
Hey, that's my foot. Hey, what are you doing? I'm trying to walk here.
Ow,
Hey! Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I got worms. Okay, I'm good. Let's go.
You're a squirrel. Bleh.
I won.
Oh, not yet.
Tartar sauce.
Chapter 1. NECA's trying to poop. What chapter 68? Chapter 68. I'm just kidding. No chapter 68.
My God, I'm growing a beard waiting for you. Growing a beard here. Let's go.
Okay, Dill Dinkle.
You're a dinkle
Okay,
dork.
New York City booties. Ah! Uh-oh. I'm gonna run you over. Yeah, I'm in. What the heck are you doing?
Waiting.
Ah! My charger. Oh no! Ah! Uh-oh, 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 ah! Okay.
I'm a winner. I'm a winner.
You're a weirdo.
I'm a winner and a weirdo. Oh yeah. I'm a winner.
You're a weirdo winner.
I am.
Chapter 1.
Yeah.
My big butt.
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't met my real power yet, have ya?
Whatcha?
Get those away from my.
You get away from me. I'm in here first.
You haven't seen my real power yet.
Oh yeah, what do you got, like superpowers or something? What do you got, super farts? You got super farts? I got super farts. They help me fly.
I like those super farts, alright?
Not better than mine.
Chapter 2. Monster Truck Superpower. That's all?
Super fart. Fart attack. Stinky attack.
Yeah. You haven't met my real fart yet.
Oh God, did you have so many beans? Why did you have to have so many beans?
Bleh. Doink. I'm the winner! Chapter 3. NECA's big fat fart. NECA fart, NECA. Okay, chapter 4. Even bigger battle.
Let's read a story together.
No!
Yes, I want to read a damn story. Twinkle, twinkle. Wait, that's singing. I don't know how to read, guys.
Oh yeah,
I
you
don't know how to
suck.
read.
You suck at reading.
I do suck at reading. I suck at a lot of things, okay? Hey, I'm trying to talk here. I'm not in the mood for fighting right now.
Yes, we are. Oh, shut up.
Oh, I'm telling on you, Mom! Tell me to shut up, Mom! Mom!
Hey! What's wrong with me car?
It's not a car! Now look who's dumb! He's just a car, guys.
Chapter 5.
My God, we're not even done chapter 4. And he's already on chapter 5. I don't know how to read. Are we reading? I don't know if we're reading
No,
anymore.
chapter 5.
Okay.
Chapter 5. Family game. Mom! They should call me a poo-poo butt.
I did not. I didn't call him anything. Swear to God, I didn't call him anything.
Okay.
Does in your poopy butt. Mom! Yeah, booby butt.
Story time.
It's story time. I want to read a story. You want to
You
read a
suck,
story?
little baby.
I'm not a baby. Wow. Since I'm a
Anyways, you suck at
baby.
reading.
Hey, don't be so rough, man. I'm just trying to be.
Chapter 6. Big farting.
Stop yelling! I'm right here. Don't gotta freaking yell. Hold on, I got worms again. Hey, let me enjoy my worm scratch first. Hey, don't you beep you.
I don't hate you.
You know what? I'm just gonna put you on timeout.
I'm just gonna punch you up.
Oh my god, you're so aggressive. I don't want to play with you anymore. Why are you gonna be so aggressive?
Oh yeah? Okay. I'm gonna punch you stuff out.
I'm gonna take this car right here.
Okay.
Hey, I'm short. Hey.
Oh,
Not so hard.
hey, little baby Rob. You're so sucky.
I'm a succubus. I'm sorry. Here, you can take your car back.
And cars are for babies. You don't like them.
I am a baby, so I like cars. Yeah.
I'm a freaking 10 years old.
Are you? I thought maybe you were 9.5. Ooh. Maybe you're only 8 3/4.
You know what? You're only a born.
I am a newborn.
Chapter 7.
Chapter 7. Dyson's a poopy butt.
No.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, he is. Let me tell you.
Chapter.
He used to poop his pants all the time when he was a baby. Let me tell you, he got poop all in his diaper and stuff.
Chapter.
Never mind. Sorry, what were you saying?
Chapter. Mom.
Mom!
Do you want to let me call it a chapter? Chapter 7.
Dyson needs to learn to stop yelling. That's chapter 7. Chapter 8.
Chapter 7. I'm going to scream in doggy's ear.
No, okay, I'll go over here. Chapter 7. So what's with chapter 7? What are we doing for chapter 7?
Who was born first?
I don't know. How old are you?
I was born first.
Okay, we answered your own gosh darn question. Alrighty then.
Chapter 8. Doggy sucks.
I do suck. I suck at a lot
He's
of
a dummy. Chapter 9. Neca's big fat baby.
Hey, that's not very nice.
Oh, you're an idiot.
You know what I think of you? That's what I think of. That's what I think of you.
Mommy, doggy hit me.
Shh, not so loud.
Mommy, doggy hit me.
Well, that's too damn bad.
What the heck are this baby so big?
But
I'm gonna run over your fingers, Mommy. Yeah. I killed Mommy. Chapter 10.
you can't even count.
I'm gonna kill you. Chapter 10. Mommy's got killed. Chapter 10. Mommy's got drugs.
Hey. No.
Yes,
No.
that's the chapter.
Not happening. Next chapter.
Chapter 1,600,000 days later. Oh, I'm so.
You an old man. This is how you be an old man. You kids get off my lawn.
You get to hear something, mommy.
I want my coupon and my free sample.
I want my tulip.
I'm 95 years old. I want my coupon. I was first in line here, even though I
I
wasn't.
was 155 years old. Bleh. I passed away. Chapter 12. Monster truck passed away.
Okay, bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, Felicia. Bye-bye. Oh, he's gone. Bye-bye.
Chapter 13. Baby shaking his booty. Yeah, booty, booty. Oh yeah, my big fat booty, booty. That's the end of the story. Goodbye. You can stop recording now.